Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1099 MISC step by step in a simple and clear way. So this form is used to report certain types of income that don't come from a regular job like rent, royalties, or other miscellaneous payments. It's important because it helps make sure that these payments are properly recorded and reported. Now let's go through the form together. So starting at the top section, you'll see the payer's details. So this is where you enter your name, address, and taxpayer identification number of the person or business making the payment. So just fill this out carefully, making sure everything matches the official records. And right below that, you'll find the recipient's information. This is for the person receiving the payment. Enter their name, address, and taxpayer identification number in the correct fields. After that, we move to the main part of the form, which is the listed of numbered boxes. So each box represents a different type of payment. So you only need to fill in the ones that apply. So for example, if the payment was for rent, you'll enter the amount in box 1. If it's for royalties, that goes in box 2. For other types of income that don't fall into a specific category, you'll usually use box 3. If any federal tax was withheld, you report that in box 4. There are also boxes for specific situations like medical payments, fishing income, or payments to an attorney. If none of those apply, you can simply leave them blank. And towards the bottom, you'll see the state information section. If needed, you can enter the details like state tax withheld and state income, depending on your situation. And before you finish, take a few seconds to double check everything. Make sure the names, numbers, and amounts are correct to avoid any problems later. Once everything looks good, the form is ready to be submitted and copies can be provided to the recipient and the IRS. And that is a quick and simple walkthrough of how to fill out Form 1099 MISC. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.